There's a major change in Google Maps, and it could launch the next Pokémon Go. Google has announced plans to open up its ubiquitous mapping platform, Google Maps, to enable developers to more easily create location-based video games. Game developers can now use Google Maps data to easily locate their games in real-world locations. Google Maps data will be updated in real time, so video games will adapt to the latest changes around you. The new Google Maps software development kit could enable the next Pokémon Go. The latter was developed by Niantic, a former Google subsidiary, and leveraged mapping data to position the video game in the real world. Niantic will attempt to recreate the success of its global phenomenon with a similar map-based game, Harry Potter, Wizards Unite, which is due to launch later this year. Google Maps' new development kit could trigger a slew of new location-based video games, similar to those in Niantic's portfolio. The new Google Maps development kit will run on Unity, one of the most popular video game engines in the world. Our new Unity SDK does all of the heavy lifting, product manager Clementine Jacoby told The Verge. No Google Maps expertise needed. Jacoby said Google will be working with developers to help improve the integration with games, helping them find places that are appropriate, unique, and fun to play anywhere on Earth. Google has already partnered with 3 developers on location-based titles. These include Jurassic World Alive, The Walking Dead, Our World, and Ghostbusters World. Each appears to feature gameplay that's similar to Pokémon Go, combining augmented reality and location-based tasks to bring popular fictional worlds into the real world. For example, The Walking Dead, Our World will prominently feature landmarks including Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, the London Eye, and Burj Khalifa in the game. Next Games, the studio behind the title, is leveraging Google Maps to make this possible. CEO Teemu Huhtanen said, "With Google Maps, we can count on providing the most up-to-date location data, meaning that when new buildings or roads are built, we'll have them in our game. This enables us to create an immersive experience, tied to the player's location."